Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're gonna set the parking brake here. Start up the, I gotta go to the last notch. There we go. Good running truck. There's the stereo. There's the heater fan working. That knob's a little loose, so makes there's a blinker to the right, so we need to tighten that up, that's for sure. And there's a blinker on that side, but that knob, that little screw come loose, so it's touching the horn. I'll show you the lights here. Good running truck. Manual brakes, no power steering, but it does turn easy. There's your headlights. Got a manual choke on it. There's your tail lights. So everything works, just got to do a little, like I said, with that blinker switch, that's grounding out the horn, so that's because it's loose. Any questions? 605-695-7391.